how to use this VPN application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple layout. So over here at three lines, you have the app filtering feature, which allows you to select whichever application you want to get a VPN connection and which you don't. So all you have to do is just tap on one. Let's say, for example, once you have enabled the app filtering feature, tap on, let's say, for example, Chrome will get in the VPN connection. So very simple. So here now you can tap on auto select. This is pretty much where you would select all the servers, or you tap on the lightning icon on the top right here. Let's tap on that and be able to see the server section. So here, over here you can see all the servers that are available, and you can select the auto connect to pretty much select the best server for you. If not, you can just select a specific server, like for example USA. So if you tap on USA, it will just select it pretty much, and you can just tap on connect here and it will start. It will pretty much ask for connection request. Just tap on OK and you're pretty much good to go. VPN will be connected in no time. Very simple. So if you want to get your subscription, you can tap on the crown icon here. They do offer no ad subscription here, as you can see. Do get a 3 days free trial, so you can pretty much test out your subscription features. So very easy application to use. It's very fast. Not gonna lie, it's good VPN and very easy to use. Anyone can use it. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.